We'll discuss now about color blindness. In human beings, a dominant X-linked gene is necessary for the formation of color-sensitive cells, that is cones. Okay, we have in our retina color-sensitive cells which are called cones, and for the formation of these cones, that is a dominant X-linked gene is very important. Okay, without this dominant X-linked gene, these color-sensitive cells will not be formed. So the recessive form of this gene, so when this gene, normal gene is affected, or it has undergone mutation, so the mutant form of this X-linked gene, when it becomes recessive, then it will become incapable of producing color-sensitive cone cells. Okay, after it has become recessive or mutant form, then this gene will be unable to produce color-sensitive cone cells. So what will happen is homozygous recessive females, that is XCXC. Okay, C refers to that color blind. Okay, the gene for color blindness. So homozygous recessive females, okay, when both the X chromosomes carrying this recessive allele, then what will happen is they become color blind. But in contrast to that, hemizygous recessive males, okay, because males have only one X chromosome. So this X chromosome carrying this gene for color blindness, they also become unable to distinguish red and green color. So they are said to be color blind. So in females, both the genes must be recessive, or both the alleles must be recessive. So XC, XC. But in males, as they are hemizygous, they have only one X chromosome. That one X chromosome carrying that recessive allele. So in both the cases, they become unable to distinguish red and green color. The inheritance of color blindness can be studied in the following two types of marriages. Okay, and first marriage, it is the marriage between colorblind man and normal visioned woman. So a marriage between a colorblind man. So man is colorblind and female is normal. Okay, normal vision woman will produce normal visioned male and female individuals in F1 generation, but females are carriers. So when a marriage occurs between a colorblind man and a normal visioned woman in F1 generation, the individuals formed will be like males will be having normal, but females are also normal but carriers. Okay, so in F1 generation, the marriage between the colorblind man and the normal visioned woman produce normal vision males. Males will be normal and females are also normal, but females will be carriers. Okay, that is one of the X chromosomes only will carry as the C, that is the gene responsible for color blindness. Other one will not be carrying that gene responsible for color blindness. Earlier we discussed that when that is the color blindness, it is expressed only when both the X chromosomes in females carry that gene. Okay, that is the recessive gene. Okay, so we'll discuss now. This is the chart to show that. So this is colorblind man. So X carrying that gene, that is affected gene, and Y is normal, but normal woman X plus X plus. So these are the gametes XC, Y, and here X plus X plus. So when these gametes fuse, so these are the combinations. So XC with X plus, XC, X plus, then XC, X plus, then Y plus X plus. So usually we write X only first. So first will be X plus, so X plus Y. Okay, this is X plus Y, and this one is X plus Y. So sons are X plus Y means that is X is normal. X chromosome does not carry that gene which is responsible for color blindness. So Y it is not, it's a normal gene. So sons are normal. But daughters are not affected, but they are carriers because one of the X chromosomes is carrying that allele. Okay, so they are carriers. Okay, this is what is happening in F1 generation. Okay, so this is the marriage between colorblind man and normal vision woman. Okay, we will discuss now about what will happen if the carrier woman marries a normal male. Okay, the marriage between that is in F1 what we discussed was a normal woman but carrier, and if such a female marrying a normal male, they will produce one normal visioned female. Okay, one will be normal female, one carrier female, one normal male, and one colorblind male. Okay, so this is the probability, that is one normal male, normal female, one carrier female, one normal male, and one colorblind male. Colorblind trait is inherited from the male parent to his grandson through carrier daughter. Okay, colorblindness is transmitted or inherited from the male parent to his grandson through carrier daughter, which is an example of crisscross pattern of inheritance. So this is what is called crisscross pattern of inheritance. That is grandchildren getting the infected, that is the affected gene from the grandparents. So here colorblind is inherited from a male parent to his grandson through carrier daughters. So this is the normal female what we discussed earlier, and this is colorblind male. So the result is normal female but carrier and normal male. So when marriage occurs between a carrier female and a normal male, so these are the genes X plus XC and here X plus Y plus. So these are the offsprings. So X plus that is normal female, X plus Y plus normal male, XC X plus that is normal but a carrier female, and XC Y plus. Okay, that is colorblind male. Okay, so this is the combinations when a carrier female marries a normal male. And this is the another type, if a colorblind woman, okay, man, that is woman is, female is colorblind, both are recessive alleles, okay, both the genes carry recessive genes, okay, that is both X chromosomes are carrying recessive genes. So this colorblind woman marrying a normal male, okay, that is X plus Y. What happens in F1 is all sons will be colorblind and daughters will be normal but carriers. When a colorblind woman marrying a normal male, okay, XC into X plus Y, what happens in F1 generation is all sons are colorblind and daughters are carriers, okay, normal but carriers. So marriage between F1 carrier female with a colorblind male, okay, if a carrier female marries a colorblind male, will produce normal visioned but carrier daughter, colorblind daughter, normal vision son, and a colorblind son in the F2 generation. Okay, we will discuss in detail about it. And this is a colorblind female marrying a normal male, and these are the individuals or offsprings. Females are carriers but normal, and males are colorblind. So when a carrier female is marrying a colorblind male, and these are the offsprings, normal but carrier female, normal male, colorblind female, and colorblind male. I don't have to repeat, I think this one, these are the gametes, okay, X plus XC, XC plus X plus XC, then X plus Y plus XC plus XC, then here XC plus Y plus. Okay, so normal but carrier female, normal male, colorblind female, and colorblind male. So this is what is happening in F2 generation. Okay, so we will discuss now about inheritance of Y-linked genes. Genes in the non-homologous region of the Y chromosome. This is what we discussed already. When such genes are inherited directly from male to male only. Okay, genes in the non-homologous region of the Y chromosome are inherited directly from male to male. In humans, the Y-linked or Hollandric genes for hypertrichosis, that is excessive development of hairs on pinna of the ear. Okay, some males having excessive hair on the pinna, that condition is called hypertrichosis. So this condition is transmitted directly from father to son because males inherit Y chromosome from the father. Females inherit only X chromosome from the father and they are not affected. Okay.